Today, we learn about the preposition on for time. We use on for specific days and dates. This is one of the most important time prepositions for beginners. Use on for specific days like Monday or Tuesday. Use on for specific dates like January 1st or the 15th. Use on for special days like birthdays or Christmas. On Monday, on Friday, these show specific days of the week. On January 1st, on December 25th, these show specific dates by month and day. On my birthday, on Christmas, these show personal and holiday special days. Every day of the week uses on. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. Always use on before any day name. For dates, use on before the date. On January 1st, on the 15th, on December 25th. On December 31st, on February 14th, on July 4th. Always month name first, then date with on. Special occasions always use on. On my birthday for personal celebrations. On Christmas for the holiday. On Independence Day for national holidays. On Valentine's Day for romantic celebrations. Never say in Monday, always on Monday. Never say at January 1st, always on January 1st. The wrong prepositions in Monday and at January 1st create confusion. Always remember on for days and dates. Practice using on in sentences. Fill the blank, I have a meeting blank Monday. Answer, on, her birthday is blank July 4th. Answer, on, we celebrate blank Christmas Day. Answer, on, school starts blank September 1st. Answer, on.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.